Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to put your Samsung Galaxy S22 into maintenance mode. Let's begin. Maintenance mode is a very useful mode in which you can basically put everything you own on your phone, like photos, applications, and everything that could have some private parts into, well, privacy, and then you can easily give your phone away for example, routine checks or whatever. In order to do that, we first need to go into settings. And then you want to scroll almost all the way down. And now we should go into device care. We can go right at the very bottom. And right here we have maintenance mode, protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. We can go here. And as you can see, we can read some very important things about how it works. Now I'm going to leave it for a moment, so if you want to read, but most importantly is that, well, you can just turn it on and your phone needs to restart to turn on maintenance mode, which is unfortunate, but we will go into restart. And as you can see, now we are creating the log. We could have unchecked that, but I do believe that this tends to be pretty useful. And as you can see, this normally takes around 2 minutes, so after the log is created, your phone will restart in maintenance mode and you can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. So, yeah. So, a few minutes have passed and now my phone is finishing up the restarting process. I had seen the Samsung Galaxy logo for about 2 minutes now, and I believe that in a moment we should see exactly this. We are now switching to the maintenance mode and I will show you how it works. First of all, we have the maintenance mode in the bottom left corner, so it's pretty obvious that we are in the maintenance mode. And now, for example, we can try to see, and as I didn't really show you before that, but I had many more applications and now they are all gone. My games are gone, my private things like Facebook, for example, is also gone, and only the default applications are left. And if we go to, for example, gallery, we can see that it is empty, even though in reality our real gallery is not empty. And now I believe that also we don't really have to input any kind of password, which is very useful, but not for us, but for technician that might want to repair our device. Now, how can we possibly leave the maintenance mode? Well, we want to go back into our device care here. Let's go all the way down, and as you can see, our phone is now in the maintenance mode, so we can go here and we can exit the maintenance mode. But in order to do that, we have to unlock our phone to turn off the maintenance mode. When you do, everything will go back to the way it was when the maintenance mode was first turned on, and changes made when maintenance mode is on, such as download data, installed apps, or setting changes, aren't saved. So, for example, if I would change my background for whatever reason, it wouldn't stay. So let's show that. Let's go into exit, and of course we need to restart our phone one more time. I'm going to use a pattern to identify myself, and now our phone can successfully and slowly go back and restart itself. So I will pause the recording now and you will see how it will look after it is finally done. This time it was much faster. As you can see, we are back to having normal wallpaper and back to needing to input our pattern, and as you can see, my original wallpaper is back, and I can show you that the real amount of applications I have is much bigger, and none of them were really accessible in the maintenance mode, as well as the gallery. Let's not do that. As well as inside the gallery, I have many more different photos, and none of them were also accessible by a technician in hypothetical maintenance. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you very soon. Bye.